What's this? Let's see. It reads Lee. Oh, I get it. This must be a Formaton. Hey guys, check out this rare treasure I have. It's called a Formaton. Oh, really? That's cool. No time to brag, Kodile. Wanna see what happened to me? My tail got cut off. Cool, huh? Okay. I guess that makes you special, I guess. You can use this Formaton to do lots of things. Oh, yeah! I guess so. Ow! What was that? What's this? A balance stone? Huh? What's happening? I don't know. Oh, cool. Look what's happening to me. Oh, looks like Toadstool is probably gonna fuck time in space. Okay. Ouch. Hi, I'm the Capture Claw. There you go. Thanks, Capture Claw. You're welcome. Okay, let's go to a dungeon now.